With me is your instructor. Most of you know her, of course, but the ones who don't know, it's Deboshri ma'am. Deboshri ma'am is a fantastic teacher, great in creatives. She's ma'am. What are your hobbies? So let me ask you more than I'm not. What do you like to do? Let the kids know that.
I like doing a lot of things actually. The list is
Tell me
I
too.
like I like reading, I like painting, I like doing yoga, I like playing frisbee.
Wow,
Yeah, these
playing
are a few things.
frisbee.
Yeah, I
Wonderful. That's
love playing
interesting.
frisbee.
That is a lovely part to know. So I'll keep quoting that
I
next
also
time.
play. I also like to play frisbee.
No, it's a wonderful game.
Yo, Musfira. There is a frisbee in Australia. Oh, yeah, Zainab, unmute and speak up. Your kids have know you so well. They are on
I like to do skateboards.
skateboard.
Skateboard. Oh.
Wow,
I
that's
always
nice.
wanted to learn skateboarding, but I
I
have
like
a
to
fear
do
that I'm going to break my bones.
So we
I
got
like to skate. I want to swim.
swim. Okay. All right. Great. So we have a lot of you coming in. So Debashri ma'am, these are new students who will be joining every Friday. Some of them. So Sana Farhat is from Kerala, Ernakulam. We've got Jamila Vai from Surat. As I mentioned, there was Hafsa from Kolkata. Sidra is from here, Mumbai. Ira is from Mumbai. So we've got a whole plethora of students joining you. Usman is from Kolkata. So we've got Surat, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. You got all the West. Welcome to this new class, and I'll be around to stick
Do
around
we
and
have
helping you.
more people joining in? But right now it's showing 16. Do we have more people joining in later?
We'll have few more people. In fact, I can see some Golden Spare students have to join in. I'm missing them also. But well, your class is on. You can get started with it.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much. So, guys, I'm going to take your life skills session for today. And for starting the session, we're going to play a very interesting game called Would You Rather. Have any of you heard about this game before?
No. No, but I
Okay.
think it's a fun game.
I think it's a fun game. So, can I start playing it with you guys? Are you all ready?
Yes. 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 I have heard this game, but
Okay. All of you can mute. Can you guys mute yourself?
okay.
Okay, lovely. So the game is called Would You Rather. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a few of you a few questions, and you have to give me your personal opinion on it. So, for example, uh, let's say Omar. Omar, can you unmute yourself, Omar?
Yes.
Yes, Omar. So the question for you is: would you rather stay? Would you rather stay in a place which has mountains, or would you rather stay in a place which has a beach? Quick, quick. The answer has to be
Mountain. I think.
I would rather stay at a house
Mountains. I
that
think.
has mountains.
mountains. Omar would like to stay at a place which has mountains. Okay, Osman, you will go next. My question to you. Can you hear me, Osman? Osman, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Osman, my question to you is: would you rather go swimming or would you rather play frisbee?
I think swimming.
Swimming. Osman would go swimming. My question is for Zainab next. Zainab, unmute yourself. Yes, Zainab. My question is: would you rather wear a yellow colored dress or would you rather wear a blue colored dress?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Jamila, you go next. Are you ready? Jamila, wear this ready. Okay, my question to you is: would Would you rather read a book or would you rather paint? Would you rather read a book or would you rather paint?
Read a book. Read a book.
Read a book.
Oh, Jamila prefers reading a book. Lovely. My next question is for Mustafa. Mustafa, who has the background of Earth on his screen right now. Mustafa is in space, as you can see. So Mustafa, your question is, would you rather go cycling or would you rather go hiking?
Cycling.
Cycling. Okay. Musfira, do you want to go next? Yes, Musfira.
Yes.
Musfira Rizwani, not Musfira. Musfira Rizwani, my question is for you. Would you rather go to Italy or would you rather go to Paris?
Paris.
Paris, lovely. Have you ever been to Paris, Musfira?
No.
Have you seen
No.
pictures? Have you seen pictures? Have any of you seen pictures of the Eiffel Tower?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Lovely. All of you can hear me, right? Can all of you hear me? Just give me a thumbs up. If you can hear me, all of you just give me a thumbs up. Sana, can you hear me? Sana Farhat? Give me a thumbs up, Sana.
Okay.
Okay, great. So, what does this game teach us? The game teach us that we all have likes and dislikes, and we make choices in life as per our likes and dislikes, right? Whatever we like and whatever we dislike, it decides what kind of a life we lead. For example, the bag you wear, the clothes you wear, the food you eat, the kind of choices you make is the kind of life you have at the end of the day. So, just to understand this better, I want all of you to take out your notebooks and pencils. All of you take out your notebooks and pencils. Whoever is ready with their notebooks and pencils will give me a quick thumbs up. Mustafa is ready. Mustafa is ready. Musfira,
Wait. Wait.
Musfira, anything that has a blank page,
Wait.
your spiral books, not your textbooks, not your candle books. Your spiral books which has blank white papers, and your pencils, preferably pencils and pens or sketch pens, whatever you have.
Ma'am, blank white papers.
Or ruled paper, anything will do. Are all of you ready with your pen and papers, pencil and papers? Quick,
Yes.
guys. Sidra, Ansani.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which page?
Then up the spiral book on which you write, your rough book on which you do your assignments and things like that.
Which page? Ma'am,
There
book.
is rough book, Zainab, your rough book. Take out your rough books and pencils, guys. Manha, are you ready with your rough book? Usman and Umair, because I can't
Yes,
see you
ma'am.
guys. If You guys tell me on chat if you all are ready. It will be of great help. Manha, Usman, MD Omer, please tell
This
me on
one?
chat that you guys are ready with your books and pencils.
The black one book.
So, but anything with a blank page is good for me, works for me. You just have to draw something, so you just need a blank page right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Manha. Okay. For all of you who's ready with your books and pencils, what you have to do is you have to design a lollipop. Listen to me carefully. You have to design a lollipop with your favorite toppings on it. Your favorite toppings. Your favorite toppings could be anything. You could draw sprinklers or coconut shavings or chocolate shavings. Anything that is your
Yes,
cream.
what do you tell? What do you tell?
I'm saying you have to
Ma'am, I
draw a
can do
lollipop
this
right now.
with color.
You don't have to essentially use color, just use a pencil, all of you. You have to
We
draw a
want to
lollipop.
draw.
Okay, let me write it on chat. 1 second.
Topping बनाओ.
We have to color also.
No, Umar, just drawing will do.
Okay.
I put it up on chat. For anyone who's not clear with what to do, can please refer to chat.
क्या करूँ?
For anyone who's not clear with what to do, can please refer to the chat. I have written what you have to do.
क्या बनाना है? क्या बनाना है? Lollipop.
Guys, refer to the chat. Guys, refers to the chat whoever's not got the assignment. You have to draw a lollipop with your favorite toppings on it. Toppings could be anything that you like. It could be chocolate, it could be banana, it could be Nutella. Musfira, you have to talk on chat. I can't hear you. Your voice is echoing.
Devoshni ma'am, I can't see the chat actually.
I'm on group chat, ma'am. I have written something.
But it could be a matlab, possibility that they can't see your chat.
Oh, okay.
So
Give me a moment. Okay. Sorry, there was something wrong with settings. So yeah, anyone who's not got it, please refer to chat. You have to draw a lollipop with your favorite toppings. Toppings could be anything that you like. Banana.
Teacher, we do color also.
No need To color, darling. No need to color. Just draw it. Draw something with your favorite toppings. Just a simple drawing will do.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, can you share it with us then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go right ahead, Umema. So Umema has drawn a lovely blue colored lollipop. Can you explain what are the toppings in it?
Yeah, it is the that sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Anything else that you
Ma'am,
have added in it?
I can take no line pages. It's like circle sprinkles.
It's circle sprinklers. Okay.
Ma'am, I've done.
Okay, Mustafa. Yes, Mustafa. Can you go ahead and share your drawing with us? I can't see your drawing, Mustafa. Can you explain what have you drawn? What are the toppings in it?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. That's it. Okay. Anything else? Ira, can you share your drawing with us? Can you unmute yourself and share what you have drawn? Yes, Ira, go ahead. Can you explain what you have drawn? What are the toppings that you have used? Ira, Kazi?
Teacher, I finished. I have used sprinkles.
That's it. Anything else? Anyone else has used anything else apart from sprinklers? I would really love to hear about it. Yes, Sana Farhad. Can you? Yeah, Sana Farhad, can you share something with us? If you're not comfortable talking, you can also write it on chat, okay?
Ma'am, I've even used marshmallows.
Marshmallows. Oh, that's a lovely topping. That's also a very good idea.
I use sprinkles and marshmallows.
Sprinkles and marshmallow. Wow, it sounds tasty, delicious already. Ali, Zainab, Manha, you guys want to share your toppings with me? What have you used as your toppings? Usman, do you want to share what you have used, what you have drawn? Okay, the one that says Realme 5i phone. What's your name, kid? What's your name?
Ma'am,
Louder. Can you write it on chat for me?
teacher, my topping is chocolate and vanilla.
Lovely, Sanha. That's really nice. Chocolate and vanilla.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles and vanilla.
Done,
Lovely.
ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Zainab, go right ahead.
Chocolate sprinkles and vanilla.
Chocolate,
Done,
sprinkles,
ma'am.
and vanilla.
Okay.
Okay, Omar, go right ahead.
This is a brown lollipop. So if we finish the lollipop, then chewing gum. This is a chewing gum lollipop. If we eat it in the last, we chewing gum come in our mouth, so it is very tasty.
Okay. It's a chewing gum lollipop. Lovely.
Mine's finished.
Quickly share it with me, then we'll move on to the next part of the presentation.
This is the red chocolate and this is the berry. I'm finished.
Lovely. Khadija, can you show it to me quickly? What's the toppings that you've used?
Marshmallows, bananas, and stars.
Stars. Oh, lovely. Great, guys. So now that you have drawn the PPT, we'll move on to the now that you've drawn your lollipops, we will move on to the next part of the presentation. Now, what I need all of you to do is, I want you to close your books. All of you, close your books right away.
Ma'am.
Close your books right away. Don't. It's not the time to ask questions. When I want you to ask questions, I'll give you a little time for that.
Ma'am.
So now close your books.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me what happened. Has everyone ready? Has everyone shut their books? Lovely. I want all of you to close your eyes now. Close your eyes, all of you. No fidgeting with the computer, no moving around the mouse, no moving around and scratching and playing yourself. Just sit down quietly at one place and close your eyes. All of you, quick. Musfira, I can see you moving. Omar, I can see you moving. Close your eyes. Sit down at one place, close your eyes. I want you to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale very slowly. Ira, close your eyes. Exhale very slowly, gradually. No, Omar, you're not allowed to sleep here yet. Now, I want you to think about one personal favorite object which is a part of your house. Close your eyes and think about the one personal favorite object that is very close to your heart. It could be a toy, it could be a photograph, it could be a gift that your parents or your grandparents have given to you. It could be anything.
flying car.
You have to think about one personal favorite object that you have got.
My flying car.
No, I'm not asking you yet. It's only when I ask you, you talk about it. So whoever's ready with their answers, raise your hand and I'll give you a chance to talk. Yes, Zainab, go right ahead.
Secondly. Swing.
Swing. There's a swing at your house, in your house?
Yes.
And why is that your personal favorite object in your house?
Yes. Then I have to swing. With it.
Yes, Zainab, can you talk now?
Because it's my favorite object and it goes really fast.
It goes really fast. That's why it's your favorite object, right? Yes. Okay. Next goes Omar.
I want. My favorite thing is my Nerf gun
Why is it your favorite?
because I play with it and I have targets, some plastic bottles. I take my bullets and put it. Then I shoot. It is very
Okay,
fun.
so you have fun. You really have a lot of fun with your gun.
I want to say.
Musfira, we'll go with Musfira and then we'll go with Usman. Okay, Musfira, Rizwani, go right ahead.
I have on home cycle.
Okay, your cycle is your favorite personal object. Realme 5, can you talk about your personal favorite object? Realme 5, yeah. Go right ahead. I've unmuted you, Realme 5.
Yeah.
Go right ahead.
I like my almond car and my
Realme 5,
flying car.
the boy in the blue, light blue t-shirt who's raising his hand. I didn't get your name. Could you start talking? You were talking about your...
When?
Yes. Talk about your favorite object. Could you be louder?
Hot Wheels car.
Hot Wheels car. Why is it your favorite?
Yes.
Why is it your favorite?
मैं ज़्यादा मजा आती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आता है इसलिए. Okay, Usman, you go next.
And my flying car.
Your flying car. Okay, lovely. Who wants to go next? Khadija?
Teacher, I.
Yes, Khadija.
My favorite thing is colors.
Colors. Why do you like colors?
Because coloring is fun.
Coloring is fun. Okay. Next
Sir,
is Sidra Ansari. Sidra Ansari, can you unmute? Yeah.
I love my remote control excavator because I love that to control.
Okay, because you like controlling. That's the reason you like it so much. Okay, the next thing you have to do is you have to comment on your friends' likes. I don't want you to talk about your likes anymore. You have to comment on your friends' likes.
Teacher, hi.
You have to comment on your friends' likes. For example, Khadija spoke about colors. Sidra spoke about an what was that? Excavator.
Remote control.
A remote control. Sidra spoke about a remote control. So I want you to comment on your friends' choices right now. And you have to say something positive about your friends' choices. Are you guys ready?
My friend like to teach.
No, your friends from here. Right now, Khadija spoke about colors. So you have to listen to your friends' likes, the ones who are present right now for this session, and you have to comment on their likes in a positive way. Is it clear? Who wants to go first? Yes, Usman, go right ahead.
My friend likes to share.
Usman, your friend from here, from this session. Whoever is present in this session, Khadija, Manha, whoever spoke about their likes, you have to comment on their likes in a positive
Nobody
way.
is in my friends in this class.
That's okay. We'll become friends eventually, right? We'll become friends in the future. Who would like to go first? Come on, guys. Ira, you want to go? You want to talk? For example, I really like the fact that Khadija likes colors. I like the fact that Sidra likes a remote control. So you have to comment on your friends' likes right now. Great. So the idea of doing this exercise was to let you know that just like us, even our friends have likes and dislikes. And a lot of times in life, as we grow up, even our likes and dislikes keep changing. And sometimes even the situation demands that we give other choices a chance. For example, how many of you during the lockdown gave up on something that you really like?
I like going down.
Like
I like.
Exactly, you like going down, but you had to give it up because it's safe to stay at home during the lockdown, right? So you
I
had
want to go to cycle.
Exactly. Musfira wants to go cycling and she really loves cycling, likes cycling, but she can't because of the lockdown.
homeschooling.
And I go to cycling.
Absolutely.
I want
Absolutely. Absolutely. So many of you like doing so many things, but you have to give it up because the situation demands it, right?
I want to go to homeschooling. Teacher,
Okay.
pardon. I want to go out for home. Ma'am.
What I'm saying is a lot of times we have to keep changing our likes and dislikes because the situation is such, right? Example, during the lockdown, we had to give up something so that we could do something else, right? We had to adapt, we had to adjust, isn't it? Give me a thumbs up if you understood what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
Lovely. So your next exercise is it's good to have likes and dislikes, and it's good to respect others' likes and dislikes, and it's also good to adapt when we don't get what we like. So your assignment right now is if you're stuck in a forest and if you don't have any fancy lollipops and pizzas, what will you survive on? You're on your own and you only have natural food around you. Give me a list of 5 to 6 food. Give me a list of 5 to 6 food items you will survive on. And remember, you're in a forest. You don't have family. You don't have friends. You don't have lollipops. You don't have pizzas. Give me a list of 5 to 6 food items that you will survive on, that you will live on. You only have trees around you. You only have fruits around you. You only have
Me. I want.
leaves. Yes, Omar.
I want lollipop. We can.
Forest. You don't have lollipops and pizzas.
We can eat leaves and fruits and leaves and fruits. We can eat leaves also. Mint leaves.
Exactly.
We can eat this pineapple.
Have your books in front of you. Quickly give
like
5 food items. Quickly write 5 food items for me that you're going to live on. You won't get lollipops and pizzas there. You will only get natural food like fruits and leaves.
I want pizza and burger.
Musfira, you won't get pizza and burger in a forest. In a forest, you won't get pizza and burger and lollipop, right? Yes, Khadija, go right ahead.
Where we have to write?
You can write now or you can also talk about it quickly.
Okay. In the forest, fruits.
What kind of fruits? Can you share it with us?
Fruit and leaves, mint leaves. Oranges.
Oranges, okay. Khadija will live on oranges. Omar will live on mint leaves. Asiya, can you quickly share with me what you're going to live on?
Apple. Fruits
The fruits, Asiya.
like banana and
Bananas,
mango.
mangoes.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, Asiya will live on bananas and mangoes.
Grapes. Berries.
Someone said berries. Hafsa, do you want to talk about Ali? Do you want to talk about the kind of things you will live on?
I want apples and mangoes.
Apples and mangoes. Hafsa?
And I like orange and
Ma'am, I live on leafy. Ma'am, I live on leafy.
Okay, someone said they will live on lychee. Sana says she will live on apples, oranges, mangoes, bananas, and papayas. So basically, when you're in a forest and you can really live without the things that you like.
I like orange and stop.
Okay, guys, you guys did a brilliant job today. You all spoke about your likes and dislikes. You all listened to your friends when they spoke about their likes and dislikes. And also, you guys can really live in a situation which demands you to give up your likes and dislikes and adjust to your environment. So you guys are doing a brilliant job. You all are amazing. And I hope you guys remember that we all should respect each other's likes and dislikes at the end of the day. So with this, we end our session today, and I'll meet you in the next life skills class. For your assignment, I'm going to share a video with you, and you all can tell me what you think of the video. Perfect. With this, we end the session today. Okay. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Give me a quick bye and a high five.
Bye.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.